Hi Levi, hi Seth and Jess and Sean. Hope you guys are doing well. Here we go, another week of online at-home learning. So let's get started. Are you ready, Levi? We're gonna start by counting from 0 to 20. Are you ready? You must be an expert at this, Levi. I can't wait to hear you. Maybe Mommy can videotape you and then she can send it to me, okay? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good job. All right, now we're going to count backwards like a rocket ship from 10 to 0. Are you ready? I'm going to use my fingers again. You can too. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And then we go blast off. Good job. All right, I'm going to show you some numbers now, and you're going to think about them. Maybe even use some cubes or some Lego pieces that you have at home to count out that number. And then let me know what that number is, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Levi, what's this number? You're right. That is the number 10. 10. Good job. This is a little bit tricky. Are you ready? Levi, what's this number? This is the number 20. 2 in the tens column and a 0 in the ones column. So 20. Good job. Levi, what's this number? 1 10 and a 3. So count out up from 10 if that's easier. And add 3 more. What's this number? What's its name? 13. You're right. Good job, Levi. I'd like you to practice those for the rest of the week. And then we have 3 more numbers that we haven't done yet in random order. So we'll do those next week, and then we'll add all of the numbers together and we'll keep going. Okay? So let's do our one more then now. So I'm going to show you a number and you're going to tell me what is one more than that number. And Mom and Dad, last week we used our 10 frame, our egg carton 10 frame to practice putting one piece of manipulative in each. So Levi could practice using that too, and we're going to continue to work with the 10 frame this week as well. I gotta find me some smaller manipulatives. Okay, Levi, are you ready? Levi, what is one more than this number? So I want you to say this number, and then I want you to think about and do what is one more than this number. So just for an example, you could get Levi to count out that many. So Levi, do you remember what that number was? It was the number 7. The number 7. Okay? So what you can do with your egg carton 10 frame, Levi, is you can put one little bead or Lego piece in each one. So 1, 2, you see them, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then so I have 7 in there. Can you see them? The white ones are hard to see. So 7, and then one more than 7 is the number right after, and that's the number 8. So you can practice like that this week, okay? All right, here's another one. What's this number, Levi? You're right, it's the number 2. What is one more than the number 2? If you said the number 3, you're right. Let's try one more. Are you ready? Oh, I'm looking for a number. What's this number? What's its name? Hang a balloon from a line. That's the way to make a 9. This is the number 9. What is one more than the number 9? Use your 10 frame. Levi, if you said 10, you're right. It's the number 10. 10 is one more than 9. Good job, buddy. Nice work. All right, so we're going to work on our addition and subtraction today. I have a few more activities to show you and Mom and Dad. So let's take, last week we were looking at doubles, thinking about doubles. So let's take a look at this one now. 4 plus 4. So Levi, I want you to take your 10 frame and I want you to put 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then add 4 more. I'm going to use the white ones because they're hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now count them all together. 1, and point to each one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Good job. Let's do another one. And don't forget to use your 10 frame, okay? Here it is. 5 plus 5. So what we're trying to do is just get Levi to understand the relationship that if he fills 2 and then he adds 3 more, these 3 are actually what make up the number 5. So you can use this all week long to do some math, to do addition and subtraction. Really simple ones, nothing more than 10. And if that's too much too, then just start with 1 plus 4, 2 plus 2, etc. Another great way to do that is to actually, if you have any dominoes, and these are just cards, but dominoes would look like this, an actual domino. So get him to recognize that this is 2 and 2, which he's really actually good at because that's subitizing, and then get him to count out what 2 plus 2 is. And you can write it out, you can use counters. There's lots of different ways that you can do that. The other thing that you could start doing as well is drawing little 10 frames like that and getting him to recognize that that is 4. So actually it should be like this, 4. And then getting him to recognize that that's 10. And just learning how to manipulate that 10 frame, 3. And when you're doing the addition and or subtraction, you could even use different colors. Like if you had all red Lego pieces and then you had blue Lego pieces that you wanted to add to it, and then counting them all together. And working with something like this, which is super easy to draw on a piece of paper. And or if you have actual dominoes, or again, you can draw them and just make them really simple. Learning how to manipulate, recognize numbers from 0 to 10. Okay? So, happy learning this week, Levi, and I hope I get to see you soon. It was so nice to see you the other day on our Google Meet, and I'm glad that you're having lots of good adventures outside and hopefully doing lots of learning and cool things inside too. I'll see you next week. Bye.